Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantae. You can call me Shan for short. In today's video, I'll be doing a hair review on this hair from Isee hair. If you're new to my channel, you can see beauty videos here. I also do fashion, and I also do like vlogs when I go traveling or anything, you know. So yeah, if you want to see how I install this hair, you can keep on watching. I also will give you the review on this hair and all the specs and stuff about this beautiful hair. So keep on watching, guys. So I start off by clipping my hair back. Well, not my hair, but you know what I mean. So I clip off the ear tabs around my ear to make it fit properly and comfortably around my ear. So that's what I'm doing to both sides. See, so I take the clip and I clip it back, so I can just get the hair that I don't want to cut out of the way. Yeah, so that's the first thing I do to make it fit my head. So yeah. So what I'm doing here is just putting a little bit more Gots to Be glue just to make sure that my ball cap is stuck down properly, and then I just measure up the wig to my hairline to make sure it's not too far down or too far back. So the wig already came pre-plucked, guys, but when I washed it, I plucked it while it was wet before I put it on my head. And then when I put it on my head, I decided it still needs a little bit more plucking, so I decided to do that just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. Yeah, guys. And you don't want to over pluck to make the hairline look bald, but yeah, it wasn't bald when I was finished, so that was fine. Yeah, so what you see me doing here is pluck. I'm gonna pluck both sides. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting the Gots to Be gel. I'm using the black version. I find that holds so well. I think I tried the yellow one in the past, but I didn't think it worked for me. So yeah, I like the black one. I'm so used to the black one anyhow. But some girls said the yellow one works for them, so whatever works best for you. Yeah. So I'm just laying the first layer of Gots to Be gel. And then I'm gonna dry it a little bit till it gets tacky. So what I'm doing now is using the blow dryer to dry it till it gets tacky. You can let it air dry, but I prefer to use the blow dryer. It just speeds up things a little bit, and I use it on the cool settings. And I was enjoying some music on the radio, so if you see me and talking to my baby girl at the same time, so if you see me talking and dancing, that's the music in the background and me talking to my baby girl. So here I'm putting on the second layer right on top of that, just dabbing it on. And I'm also gonna blow dry that a little bit. So now I'm going in with the Gots to Be freeze spray on top of the 2 layers of the black gel that I put on. And I also cut the lace in 3 parts, so it'll be easier for me to lay it down bit by bit. Yeah, I find that easier for me to do it like that. So I just do the same thing to each section. So now I'm gonna use the eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. You get a closer cut to me with the eyebrow razor. Well, I find it easier to use the eyebrow razor. Yeah guys, so clumsy me still had to cut myself with the razor. It's so sharp. So guys, I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and put on that cut. I'm so clumsy guys, like, trust me to do that. So guys, now for the baby hairs, my favorite part. I know it might look like a lot of hair, but I'm gonna make it come together. I'm gonna make it work, you know? Believe in yourself. Yeah, so I'm just doing the baby hairs. Don't mind, it looks like a lot of hair I'm taking out, but yeah, I'll make it work. So now I'm just molding my baby hairs to suit my preference. Some of you guys might not like so much baby hairs or none at all, but I like baby hairs. I've been doing baby hairs since like before it was so popular. Like, I've been doing that since I was young with my own hair. I mean, I love baby hairs, so I just can't help it. I have to do baby hairs. Guys, please ignore the state of this stocking sock thingy that I'm using to hold my edges down. It works. Don't worry, it works. So now I'm just dusting some makeup powder into the lace just to make it match a little bit more and blend. So yeah. Guys, so this is the box that the hair came in. Isee Princess, Isee, I think I'm saying it right. I think it's Isee, but yeah. And they also put it in this bubble wrap, guys. They made sure it came to me in perfect condition. I mean, they really went out there to, because I never even seen this kind of bubble wrap on anything before. Like, it's so firm. Ooh, yeah. That's really good. I really like that they put in the effort to deliver my box to me really nicely, so the postman couldn't damage it, you know. The box, see, the box still looks like new. I mean, yeah, that's all the information on the back. They also have their information inside the box. There's social media, They have all their little taglines, Isee Princess. And it also came with this little, what would you call this? A little leaflet with the girl wearing the same kind of bob wig. Yes, you can also wear it like all down and everything. But I just decided to try something different that, you know, I never did before really. Yeah, because I saw this style going around and I really liked it. Thought it was cute. So yeah, they have this little leaflet inside with the girl on the front wearing the same wig. And there's social media and stuff at the back. Yeah, they tell you how, oh, they have the hair care tips inside as well. Yeah, this company really went out their way to, yeah, I like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, they also sent me these beautiful lashes. I mean, my favorite kind of lashes. Big and long. They're not big like certain ones that I have, but they're just in between of small and big. Like these are the perfect size and my favorite style of lashes. I mean, thank you, Isee here. I love this. Yeah, I love these lashes. I don't want to wear them yet. I want to keep them for when I'm like going out. Yeah, but I really love them. They're 3D mink lashes. And the box is so pretty with all the glitter. I love glitter and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'll be wearing these lashes soon. Yeah, so the hair is Malaysian straight, I think. And it's a 13x6 parting. So you have up to here, I think that's the 13 bit, up to here, ear to ear. And then the parting is the 6 inches part. So I have a very long parting, so I don't know if you can see it because of the style that I have. I didn't really do much, so you can't really see this parting. But when I lay it down and do a straight bob, I will pop, what am I saying? I will put it in the part in the middle and pluck the middle and give it that more of a part so you can see the part. But guys, this hair is really soft. I mean, I love it, and it straightens so nice, guys. It's so soft, you know. And I did my best to melt the lace, you know. I hope I did, guys. Did well, guys. So let me know what you guys think of how I did. I really tried. Not professional at all the hair stuff, but yeah, you know, for amateur. And yeah, prefer it. Oh, actually, take that out. Take that out. Yeah, guys. You guys just watching me looking at myself, and I just love this hair. This, guys, I really recommend this company, guys. And oh yeah, and the shipping didn't take long either. I ordered it, I think, on the 18th of November, and I got it around the 20th, 21st, or 23rd. One of those days. I can't remember exactly, but I know it was quick, didn't take too long. Everything came in perfect condition, the box, the hair. And I ordered it from the company. I didn't order on AliExpress. I ordered it straight off the website from iceewigs.com, I think it was, or .co.uk. One of those two, but you can just Google it. You'll find it. It's easy to find, guys. I really recommend this hair. Yeah. So, guys, if you want to know any more about this hair, let me know in the comments. You know, that's fine. I'll do my best to answer all your comments. Or if I didn't mention something about this hair, let me know what you want to know. I will do my best to put the link in the description and like all the hair bits, like what I said about this hair, all the specs and stuff. So yeah. I probably need to take a comb through this bit. It's soft, guys. It's really soft. Yeah. So if I can So even though it's like a bob wig and short hair, I can still do a little style with it, as you can see. And I will just part it and wear it down sometimes. I can even do it like maybe put it in a ponytail at the top and then leave it down. Maybe give it a curl. Give it like a little wave. So yeah. So guys, let me know what you think of this hair down below in the comments. I won't keep you back. I won't keep rambling on. Yeah, so guys, peace out. Or that way. Peace out, guys.